Hello and welcome to Making Joyful Noise, brought to you by beautiful St. Paul Lutheran Church in downtown Sarasota, Florida. My name is John Ferreira. I am the Director of Music and Ministries and organist at the church. On Sunday, the special music, the singers will present a piece called Advent Prayer. Last Sunday, we sang an anthem and we asked the congregation to join in with us at a certain point, and I would point to the congregation and they would sing. It worked out really beautifully. In fact, the congregation sang extremely strongly. Of course, it was a very favorite Advent carol. It was O Come, O Come, Emmanuel. But when the congregation came in, they came in real strong. This Sunday, our music asks that the congregation join us again. But this time the music may be just a little bit unfamiliar to you. The words are not, but the music may be just a little bit unfamiliar. The words are, "Come, Lord Jesus, come and dwell in our hearts, Emmanuel." The music is... Come, Lord Jesus, come and dwell in our hearts, Emmanuel. And we're asking the congregation to join in very strongly on that. I don't know if you've noticed, but a lot of the music written for the Advent season, a lot of the hymns, are especially in minor key, like this one. The very last page, the very last chord of the choir anthem ends with a major. That makes it feel different. Listen to this. There's the hope. You can almost feel the mystery lift up like this. So listen for that very last chord, and only you that have listened to this blog will understand what that's about. That's the choral anthem. The bells are going to play the prelude, and it's based on O Come, Emmanuel, written by a lady, Anne Organ. That's really her name, Organ. However, the way she wrote it is really unique. She has the melody coming in on beat 3, which is a little bit off center. We normally begin on beat 1, so the bell choir will play an introduction, and then you'll hear the theme come in a little off beat. See if you can catch the theme coming in and out from the bell choir. Thank you for listening. My name is John Ferreira, and this is St. Paul Lutheran Church. We're going to be on Facebook on 9:30 on Sunday morning. We'd love to have you watch us. Better still, we'd love to have you come and join us live. Thank you for listening.